This is Anbonani. Welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment, guys. So, Mihlali ndamase went home for the past weekend. She has been spending time with her family at her grandmother's house. So, she took to Instagram to post a photo of her late dad. For those who don't know, Mihlali ndamase's dad was a medical doctor, guys, who practices profession outside South Africa. According to the source, Mihlali ndamase and her mother divorced when she was a little girl. So people were saying, oh, Mihlali ndamase's dad look exactly like leeroy Sidambe, guys, who is currently dating Mihlali, guys. So I will say I have to agree to this one. They do look a little bit alike, guys, especially, the color of their skin. They are so yellow, Mihlali ndamase will probably want a yellow bone, but anyway, it is what it is. So they do exactly look alike, guys. But I will say that Mihlali ndamase's dad look a little bit handsome compared to leeroy Sidambe. Not that I hate, I'm just saying we all know, we can all can see the truth. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think there's a reason why